All right, so here is another very easy question, guys. You can try it out and then you can resume to look at the solution. So the situation in this question is best explained in these two diagrams. In a 10-kilometer race, A, B, and C, each running at uniform speed, get the gold, silver, and bronze medal respectively. So A gets the gold, B gets silver, and C gets the bronze medal. So A wins the race, B has come second, and C has come third. Okay. If A beats B by 1 kilometer, that means when A finishes the 10-kilometer race, B is still 1 kilometer behind. That tells you in equal amounts of time, the distances they have covered are 10 kilometers by A and 9 kilometers by B. The ratio of these two distances will also be the ratio of the speeds, because we have seen this, guys, that whenever the time is same, distance and speed are directly proportional. That gives you the ratio of speeds of A and B as 10 is to 9. The same logic we can apply in the next question, in the next state. The same logic can be applied in the next part of the question. B beats C by 1 kilometer. So in the 10-kilometer race, when B covers 10, C is covering 1 kilometer less, that is 9. So in equal amounts of time, the distances they have covered are 10 and 9. The ratio becomes 10 is to 9. And that is also the ratio of the speeds, because these two distances have been covered in equal amount of time. Now, if I just multiply these two equations, guys, my job is done. Just multiply. So on the left-hand side, I will have A by B into B by C. On the right-hand side, I will have 10 by 9 into 10 by 9. So B and B will cancel out. Ultimately, I will get A by C is equal to 100 divided by 81. Now, by how many meters does A beat C? A has to cover a total of 10 kilometers. Now, guys, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 10 kilometers is 10 into 1000, and that is 10,000 meters. So I need to make this distance covered by A as 10,000. For that, I will multiply above and below here by 100. I'll multiply above and below here A by C as by 100. So I will get A distance is 10,000 and C's distance as 81 into 100, that is 8,100. This tells you that when A covers the 10-kilometer race, C is covering only 8,100 meters. So by what distance does A beat C? 10,000 minus 8,100 will give you the final answer here. The final answer will be 1,900 meters. So by how many meters does A beat C? The answer is 1,900 meters.